Hi guys, it's my birthday today and get ready with me and short clips about that will happen to my vlog. Anyways, now let's go. First thing to do is to take a shower. I know what time na ba. It's 12:59 na and ngayon pa lang ako maliligo kasi wala lang, trip ko lang. Ngayon lang ako nagkakaroon ng wheel. Ay! Kimi! Ay ayun nga, ngayon lang ako nagkakaroon ng wheel para gumalaw-galaw. Pero kanina, actually kakatapos ko lang kumain and then habang kumakain is nanood ako ng That Man Called Otto, named Otto. I don't know, basta tungkol siya kay Otto. And then, ayun, kanina din, ano ginawa ko? Pagising ko ng umaga, kausap ko yung parents ko. And then, nagpasama yung tita ko mag-cash out. And, ayun, kumain ako habang nanonood. Or nanonood ako habang basta yon. And then, now, maliligo na ako. So, see you later, alligator. Hi, Kimi! Okay, bye. Maligo muna ako. OMG guys, nakalimutan ko ng vlog. But here is me. Here is me! Oops. Ang aking feet. Yun lang. This is my makeup. Super simple. Yan ba eyes ko? I don't think kita niya. But yeah. I look cute. Yun lang. Mamaya update ko kayo kapag may, kunyari, pag may ginawa kami, pag kumakain na. Kasi ang balak lang namin is mag-samgyup with family. That's all. See you later.